Welcome to our channel. Today we how to automate CRM for real estate with Salesforce, complete guide step by step clearly. Begin by logging into your Salesforce account. Navigate to the app launcher in the top left corner. Search for and select Sales. Click on Contacts to access your database of leads and clients. Select New to create a new contact. Fill in the necessary fields such as first name, last name, and phone number. Scroll down to the Related tab and select Opportunities. Click on New Opportunity to associate the contact with a potential deal. Enter the opportunity name, stage, and expected close date. Use the drop-down menu to select the property related to this opportunity. Next, set up tasks to automate follow-ups. Navigate to the Tasks tab in the left sidebar. Click on New Task to create a follow-up reminder. Fill in the task details, such as subject, due date, and priority. Choose the contact or opportunity this task is associated with. Then, utilize workflow rules to automate notifications. Go to Setup in the upper right corner. Search for workflow rules in the Quick Find box. Click on New Rule and select the object you want to create rules for. Define criteria for when this workflow should trigger. Set the actions that should occur when criteria are met, like sending an email. Next, explore Process Builder for more complex automation. In Setup, search for Process Builder. Click on New to create a new process and name it accordingly. Define the criteria for triggering this process. Set the appropriate actions that should take place. This could include updating fields or creating records. Consider using Salesforce Flow for custom processes. In Setup, search for Flows. Click on New Flow and choose between a screen flow or a record-triggered flow. Follow the prompts to build a flow that suits your automation needs. Make sure to test all automation processes. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.